Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to hide the list of all friends on your Facebook. To do this, you log into Facebook. Next, you open your profile, and you click on the Settings option. And then you click on Search, and you type in the word friends here. And there's an option here, who can see your friends list? You click on that, and then you click here. And here you can choose the parameter according to which your friends will be displayed in your profile. That is, you can choose a setting where only you can see your friends, or any other setting that you prefer. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.